Welcome to 50 Bedell Crescent, a wonderful 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home within a family-minded neighborhood of the desirable Rolling Acres community of Whitby. Exuding beautiful curb appeal, stamped concrete surrounds the front yard garden bed and is continued with the front steps and the floor of the covered porch, which extends the width of the home. Through the front entry door is a main level with a wonderful open flow and design, naturally bright principal rooms, and showcasing a neutral color palette and vinyl plank flooring throughout. Fully open to each other, the combined formal living and dining rooms have a wall of east-facing windows allowing for abundant light throughout the day, while the dining room has the added ambiance of an elegant chandelier suspended from a coffered ceiling. Separating the foyer from these entertaining spaces is a half wall with a decor column, and columns also add a decorative touch at the base of the staircase as well as between the family and breakfast rooms. The foyer has a coat closet, while a powder room with an elegant pedestal sink is found off the main hall, which leads into the spacious family room. Here, 3 west-facing windows surround a gas fireplace, and soft diffused light through a north-facing accent window, as well as a contemporary light fixture, additionally brighten this room, which enjoys an openness with the gathering spaces of the breakfast room and kitchen. Featuring additional breakfast seating at the peninsula, the updated kitchen blends both contemporary and classic design, showcasing a stainless steel double sink and appliances including a fridge with bottom-mount freezer, oven with smooth surface cooktop, range hood and dishwasher. Shades of white seen with the quartz counters, the tiled backsplash, and the extended height upper cabinets on the south wall are complemented by base cabinets and a full wall of cabinetry having the contemporary finish of a dark wood grain veneer, and all creating a gorgeous and superbly efficient workspace that provides more than abundant storage and which also has direct access to the backyard and the formal rooms for entertaining convenience. The staircase leads to an upper level finished with hardwood flooring throughout and features 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and a laundry room with front-load washer and dryer. The second and third bedrooms enjoy west-facing exposures and overlook the backyard, while the third and fourth bedrooms also have ceiling fans, and all feature ample closet storage, large windows that allow for abundant natural brightness, and share a 4-piece common-use washroom with a skylight, a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, as well as a vanity updated with a quartz counter and undermount basin. Very bright, yet having a lovely relaxing aura, the master bedroom showcases a turret wall with 5 east-facing windows, as well as a ceiling fan and a large walk-in closet with organizers. And its equally relaxing ensuite washroom has ceramic finishes throughout, a vanity updated with a quartz counter and undermount basin, a soaker tub, as well as a separate walk-in shower area. Off the family room is the staircase to the fully finished lower level, which features vinyl plank flooring throughout, plenty of storage including a cold room, and a washroom with pedestal sink. while its U-shaped recreation area offers lots of space easily suited to household and personal needs, such as a family media room, fitness, games and play areas, or home office use. The walkout from the main level breakfast room opens to a premium-sized backyard, which features a large deck that has plenty of outdoor entertaining space, as well as built-in planters for summertime color. The detached double-car garage is complemented with both an exterior pad and a long driveway beyond the set of gates, providing abundant parking. And the backyard is fully fenced and surrounded with greenery for privacy, while at the rear of the property is the summertime oasis, an in-ground pool with a concrete deck and a poolside patio area. Located in a great family-oriented neighborhood close to John Dryden Public and St. Mark the Evangelist Catholic Elementary Schools, both which are French immersion, this home is just a short drive to the Whitby and Oshawa Town Centre malls, numerous big box shopping plazas along Taunton Road, as well as a wide variety of restaurants and services. And the Whitby GO station and access to highways 401 and the 407 are also just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.